This robotic speed ramp effect is going viral on social media. Here's how to recreate it in DaVinci Resolve. The first step of this effect is to trim the beginning and the end, so the points where the camera movement accelerates and slows down. After that, open your clip in Fusion. Press Shift plus space and search for tracker. Look for a high contrast point in the start of the clip and put the tracker there. Move forward to the point where the camera starts moving to another point. Position the tracker to the high contrast point again. Change adaptive mode to best match and track the video backwards. Now the first part is tracked. Find the point where the camera has locked into the next point. For me, it's the BMW badge. Move the tracker on that point and track forward. If you need to, you can pause the tracker and resize it for better results. Make sure to not move the position of it. Once that's been tracked, move on to the third point. Similarly, like we did the last two, find a high contrast point, place the tracker there, and track. Let's move on to the last point. By the way, let me know what kind of effects or things you'd like to learn, and I'll make tutorials on those. Once all the points are tracked, go over to Operation. Change the operation mode to Match Move. Next to Merge, choose Background Only. Open the search menu and search for Transform, and after that, search for Grid. Change the row and column cells to 4 so we can find the perfect middle point for a locked-on stabilization. Go to the last frame, and with the transform adjustments, center the last point we tracked. This will automatically center all of the other points as well, with no need to hassle with keyframes. Make sure to scale up the clip so we can reduce the amount of transparent edges on the clip. You can delete the grid once you don't need it anymore. A quick trick to remove the edges completely is to select the tracker node and next to edges, turn it to mirror. Speed ramping a clip like this can also be very tricky, so I'll show you how to do that next. Go back to the editing page, right-click on the stabilized clip and choose New Compound Clip. Make sure you are in the first frame and then search for Time Stretcher. Move forward slightly and adjust source time to the point where the camera starts changing the tracking point. Go forward again and adjust the source time to the next changing point. Repeat this until you are in the last point. If you need to make any adjustments to the timing, go to the keyframes window and drag the keyframes to the correct points. Once that's done, open the spline window. Click on the Time Stretcher checkbox and then this icon to see the graph perfectly. Highlight all of the points and press S on your keyboard to smooth them out. Adjust the graph similarly to me or make your own adjustments. When you are happy with the graph, go back to the editing page and delete the excess where there's no more movement. If you want to know where to find clips like this, go check out this video.